Only the first 3 minutes of this video is fart pranks. I was having trouble with my wireless mic and lost a bunch of scenes, but it was just one of those days. Here they are. Here they are. I found them. Oh, I was looking all over for these. Hey, man. Man, you know about chapels? This right here, Papa. Can't let go. Got hit by a cart. Oh, sorry. Oh. Hey, you guys. Oh. Oh, wow. Yes, well. Would you be my friend? Oh. I like hot pink socks.
Oh, you scared the crap out of me.
Sorry. You like hot pink socks too?
Look, I'll follow you and everything on TikTok.
Do you?
Yeah, I do. Hey, put me on TikTok.
Yeah? Okay. Oh. Somebody spilled the gravy. Yeah. Me too. I just spilled the gravy. I'm sorry, guys.
No, it's okay.
Oh. You ever try the? Oh, pretty. It's so pretty. Alright, well that's it for the fart prank part of this video. You guys can click off and go watch something else if you're here just for that part. The rest of this video, my oldest subscribers who have been with me since day one might appreciate. It's something I found on an old computer that nobody's ever seen before. It was supposed to be sent to another prankster at the time who was going to do a collaboration with me, but he ended up quitting. This is way back when I was new on YouTube and was doing my prank videos in Miami. It's not the funniest thing in the world. It's just like a flashback in time kind of thing, you know, so.
Hi, I'm Rouse Man from Super Stupid Poop, and you're watching Hanzi Films.
You! It is.
You scared the shit out of me, man.
Oh, sorry. I thought it was right. Hey, hey, yeah. Brought my truck here the other day.
Yeah,
and they predator man. So make sure.
Yeah.
You know, this is your truck, right?
Yeah.
I come through here about every. So last time I came through, I brought my truck and.
Like what happened?
Well, when you bring them through, they wash it. They do a good job, but make sure you check the fenders because when they're
all right.
See, the car don't fit in there.
Oh, yeah.
When they brought the truck, dent, big ass dent.
I told the manager in there, his name is Felipe Lippo.
Yeah, Felipe.
Felipe Lippo, and he said,
There's another owner here, or
well, they're not the same, you know.
yeah, the same company.
But if you bring your truck there, you know, I don't want to. But I'm going to bring my truck here next time. I go down 10 miles. They have the best
Where? Where?
You know where the Chevron. Soupy Sally, she told me about the Chevron. So make sure.
Yeah.
All right, buddy.
Thank you.